we would like to call up to the stage. He's the head of MWR, the big man here in Camp Humphreys, Mr. Donald Claycomb. Mr. Donald Claycomb will be Camp Humphreys Theater for competing in the 2012 Army Festival of the Arts for Honk. You guys remember Honk? Are you guys here for Honk? Well, we would like to award all our winners here in Camp Humphreys.
Thanks. How's everybody doing? Boy, I tell you what, I can't see any of you. So imagine the performers up here doing their thing for the first time. I guess all the rehearsal that happens can't make up for a broken guitar string. That still making it happen on good rhythms on a 5-gallon water jug. So congratulations on that. Well done. We wanted to just stop a minute. We have the theater group here, as everybody that's here knows, is just amazing, and they've won some awards. These are awards that are given out by the U.S. Army Festival of Performing Arts. So these are competitions that basically are held with every community, and there are a lot of them that have performing arts groups. So Army-wide, we have a number of awards that we've won. Everybody knows the value of music and theater. What everybody doesn't know is that music and theater here is it's unsupported. It's a thing of the people, I guess you would say. Christy and Lisa came to us a little over a year ago, and some of you know this better than I do, but this thing has just taken off, and it's not only successful, but it's now recognized. Again, there's over 1,000 different people that are involved in productions, and so let me get on with the awards here and give you some idea of how well they've done. And it's important to note that each one of these, all of these awards were won by the very first production. The first thing that we did here at Camp Humphreys was Honk. And so just listen to this list of awards. For Outstanding Producer, third place again for Honk, Lisa Craig. Not that they're not important, but there's just so many of them. We just, we just nailed it, I guess. They came through. I remember the folks the theater folks, and when they came through, and they happened to come along right when Honk was on, and the list goes on. Outstanding Director, Christy Mancha, third place. Outstanding Musical Director, Aaron Whipper, and Lisa Craig is going to accept for Aaron. Aaron is visiting his family in the States. So, Outstanding Musical Director, third place, Honk. Next is the award for Outstanding Sound Design. Third place won by Sergeant Kevin Cervantes, and Lisa Craig is going to accept for Kevin. He has PCS to Fort Carson. Outstanding Costume Design. Third place, Christy Mancha. Outstanding Choreographer, Brenda Adams and Olivia. Brenda Adams is accepting the vote. Outstanding Performance by an Actor in a Leading Musical Role. Second place, Caleb Craig. Congratulations. There's more. Outstanding performance by an actress in a leading musical role, Alexandra Abbott, second place. Christy Moncho's got second. Alexandra is in college in Colorado. Proud mom. Okay, outstanding performance by actor in a supporting musical role, Captain Kai Feldbaum. Heather? Outstanding performance by an actress in a supporting musical role, Pamela Perry. Pamela's uncle, David Perry, accepting for Pamela. Pamela's teaching in Atlanta. I've got a couple more. I just want to go back to the point again of my goodness, you know what? A lot of awards. Honk, our first production. One more, special visual, there's two more actually. Special visual effects, specialist Kevin Buki, Christy Monch is accepting Kevin PCS to Fort Campbell. And before I give this final award, I just want to say thanks to Christy and Lisa. If you'd come up, please. This is a little something from MWR that we wanted to give to you too, and just express our thanks for everything that you've done. I tell you, there aren't very many things that just are the will of the people. This is like a Facebook thing, only better, because it's real time for Camp Humphreys. And this is just something that would not have happened without these two ladies. And it's a small thing that we're doing here, but we just really want to say thanks to these two and recognize them in front of everybody for their contribution and the great thing that they do for the soldiers and families of Camp Humphreys. So thank you, folks. This is the third place award for outstanding production, and that is to Christy Moncho and Leslie Craig accepting together. So here they are. How fitting. Okay, everybody, on with the show. Thanks for all the support that you give to the music and theater program. We appreciate it very much.